This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system, announcing the commencement of the annual purge, sanctioned by the U.S. government. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. And, for the first time since its inception, no one has been granted special immunity from the purge. No citizen or group will be exempt. Blessed be our new founding fathers, and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.